Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. So with Cardano, we are following primary expectation at the moment, very nicely actually. In the previous video, we talked about here, obviously the chart is a mess. Let's start like that. The chart is an absolute mess what we're doing here at the moment. I try to make sense of it. I think we've picked the right wave count. But here micro counting is extremely challenging. But so far, what we're doing here, and I won't go through the entire chart again, it's only supposed to be a quick update. I did already an ADA update today, but because we have seen some price movements, I want to update again. First of all, we are in an Elliott wave triangle here. Yeah, this wave E. The wave E subdivides into various subwaves, in this case a WXY pattern. Yeah, within the wave Y, we have seen an A, a B, and a C. And I told you earlier today that we can expect this wave to go higher in wave C, because it looked like we've done already our wave 1, we've done our wave 2, and we are in wave 3. The wave 3 oftentimes the longest wave, oftentimes the most bullish wave. The wave 3 is subdividing into 5 waves. So far this is doing it perfectly. Yeah. So if we look at this, just from the previous video, we can recalculate just the target for that wave 3 again. Let's do that. We take the Fibonacci extension tool. We go from the low to the wave 1 high and to the wave 2 low. And we're looking for at least the 1.618 extension. So we'd be looking at the 48-cent level. Now we've already reached 47.4. It could go a bit higher. We've reached the 1.272 extension. It should ideally go to the 48-cent level. A small problem here. If this is a wave C, yeah, we have weakness in the chart because it is a wave C, which would eventually reverse to the downside. And therefore, it could be that the 1.618 level will not be reached. We are on watch here just to see when is this wave 3 in green finished, because we can already count 5 waves. You can see that clearly here. Within the wave 3, you can count a 1, a 2, a 3 that was labeled from the previous video. We looked for a wave 4, happened, no? And we can count a 5th wave. So theoretically, that wave 3 in green can be finished. It can push a bit higher, but it could be finished at any moment now. And of course, we're approaching resistance. You can see that sort of channel here, approaching resistance yet. What would we expect after that? We would expect a wave 4 in green to the downside. I can give you a target for that as well, based on the assumption that we have now seen the peak already. Sorry, this should be a 5, that we've seen the peak already. So we can do that by taking the Fibonacci retracement tool. We start at the low of the wave 2, go to the high of the wave 3 here. Again, it all depends on if this is finished or not. We don't see any evidence it's finished yet. While we can count 5 waves, we haven't seen a bearish reaction yet. So it's good chances we move a bit higher, especially given that the actual target should be 48 cents. But from the current level, yeah, we would expect now wave 4 in green to retrace into the region between the 38.2% fib level and the 50%. That would be the ideal retracement area. That means to 46.4 and 46.1 cents. From here, we should then see a move up in the wave 5. And that wave 5, that should then finish off the overall ADA, not correction, but the overall ADA wave C, the wave Y, the wave E, and the wave 4, which would mean that afterwards we would expect a breakout to the downside, a breakout to the downside in 5 waves to finish off wave 5 here in purple, and that should ideally go below 38.5 cents. Yeah, possibly all the way down to 29 cents. Believe me, a lower low for the ADA chart would be extremely good to tidy up the mess here, what it's doing, because it would basically reset the entire chart and we could start a new bull run. That's what I'm looking for. And so hopefully you liked the update about ADA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.